Hello, welcome to our channel The Crazy and Busy Bomb, and in today's video we will see unboxing of Eurokids Happiness kit for Euro Seniors class. And I am sharing this video a little late as we came to Hyderabad very late and received this box quite late. So sorry for the delay, but this is going to be useful for the next year if you are planning to see a new school for your kid. So let's get started. This is a huge box, and as per my experience with Euro Juniors class, I am expecting a lot of books, bags and activities, colors and everything in this box. So here, let's go and see it. So here you can see there is a bag. Oh, this time it's a pink color one. Last time we received a green color bag. Now I'm going to open this bag and show you what's inside it. Oh, there is a different kind of box this time. Let's see what's inside. Okay, this is the bag, pink color bag, and these are the books, so many. And this is a readiness kit. So here you can see a pencil gripper, scissor, color boxes, crayons, and there is 2 books inside it. One is to learn how to draw, the other one is about scissor skills. So let's move on to our next item. These are some boxes that we received. There are 4 number of boxes. In every box there is one activity, very interesting activity, play kind of activity that you can play with your kids. And there is a storybook with it. This storybook can be read by the kids itself. They have very small tiny sentences framed out of very useful words that they already learn, and they can read it. So I'm going to show another one. Okay, this is a board game kind of a game. You can see 2 dice there, and this is a board game. Yes, it's a board game. And along with it, there is another one book also. So these are the 4 boxes. Next item is this activity box. You can see there is, oh, this time there is human body. This is a sun. Okay, and lots of activities based on whatever they are going to teach in scientific thinking. We have lots of activities, and all the material is provided here. You just have to complete these activities, and it is very large number of it, and completing everything is really a big challenge. So definitely your kid is going to love these activities. They are going to learn lots of things, and they are going to use very different words, and we have badges also. Okay, thank you for watching.